Originally from Harlem, New York. I've been chefing since 2009.
Okay.
My specialty is seafood, fried lobster tails. Actually what we're gonna be doing today. Back in 2009, my mother had my food for the first time that I prepared.
Yeah.
It was Thanksgiving, so I cooked and I invited all my family over. So as my mother's eating the food, she's like, boy, you cook better than me. So after that, I just ran with it.
You was like,
yeah.
One of my biggest goals is to entertain at home. Because number one, don't have time for the crowds. Number two, don't have time for expensive food that doesn't taste good. And number three, we're grown, right? So like dinner parties are the thing to do. But you want to make sure, and like one of my biggest things is like I wanted to have like a dinner party, invite a bunch of friends over, right? But remember I said that my food tastes good, but it's not like ready for the gram. So I'm expecting to learn how to make my food look more presentable so I can have like that dinner party and not have my guests sign NDAs so that they don't post, you know, my struggle cooking for bae food on the internet. Because we are going to go deep into the kitchen and into the cooking. And of course I had to get really, really serious and put on my apron because I am a chef too. Maybe not the chef, but you know, I'm like chef light. But anyway, let's see what Chef Jay is up to right now.
It takes about a minute or two to defrost.
Okay, so we have boiled the noodles.
Boiled the noodles.
Now, are these a special kind of noodle?
You can go with any type of pasta. You can go with shells, elbows, whichever you decide.
Okay.
Does the job.
All
So
right.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some heavy cream in it, about a cup of heavy cream.
Okay, 1 cup heavy cream.
We're gonna go a cup of Gouda cheese.
Okay.
Right?
And Gouda is something that, like, they had it at my supermarket, so
Yeah,
I'm sure
I would go with
everyone can
smoked
find that.
Gouda.
Smoked Gouda, okay.
And we're gonna go with a cup of pepper jack.
Pepper jack. Pepper jack is also something you can get at a regular grocery store. Like I always say, like, if you can get it from my key food, everybody has it.
Absolutely. And we're not gonna forget the cheddar, the Vermont cheddar.
Vermont cheddar, okay.
Okay, and then we're gonna just mix this up.
Alrighty.
It's the oven.
Okay. Yeah, guys, that's the oven.
Yeah, I mean,
We're cooking down in here.
we're just gonna mix that, get that a little saucy.
Saucy.
Yeah.
New York is here with the sauce.
Yeah. And we're gonna put a little bit of my special seasoning.
Okay. I have a feeling that the special seasoning is
the truth.
Is the truth, and the ingredients are under wraps.
There you go.
Okay, top secret. B613 secret sauce. Well, secret seasoning.
Secret seasoning. So as you can see, the consistency with the cheese, how it's melting and getting that nice little sauciness to it. And then we're gonna put it in pan, and then we're gonna put the cheese on top. So now you're gonna have cheese on cheese.
Cheese on cheese.
Right, you see that there?
Oh my goodness.
Now listen. If it doesn't sound like that, doing something wrong. And we go with wild caught shrimp. Gives it a better taste, better texture.
And you can get wild caught shrimp at a regular grocery store, or
You can, but I would go fish market.
fish market. Yep. Alright guys, if you hear like a loud gurgling, that's my stomach.
You don't want the rubbery taste in.
No rubbery.
No rubbery.
This is a no rubbery zone.
There you go.
Alright. Alright.
For about 5 minutes.
Okay. So we're putting that in the oven.
For about maybe 6 minutes.
Okay. Alright, the magic is about to happen.
See those bubbles?
We gotta see the bubbles. Ooh. Man. And then later on, we're gonna learn about presentation because if you guys follow me on Insta stories, you know my food doesn't always look that great. So I'm gonna learn a little bit about presentation, especially if you want to have like a dinner party, or you know, you just want to do it for the gram. So this is what, olive oil or
olive oil? Just want to kind of brush it on. You know, it's more of a styling the food.
Ooh. Now you guys might not see this because the light here is yellow, but it's actually giving the food like a really nice glow.
Never hurts to top it up a little bit.
Okay.
This is actually parsley.
Amazing. Oh. This looks so good. Guys, my bad about the quality of the next clip and the lighting. I hadn't realized when I was filming that the light change, I used natural light, and it was way too bright. I had already filmed and had been home before I realized it, and I tried to fix it in editing, didn't do such a good job, but you know, next time, okay? Here we go! Ciao. I thank God for this macaroni and cheese. You must get this all the time, though.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Anybody that's not reacting like this to this food is crazy. This is delicious.
Thank you.
And this is something that you can make in like, you made this in what?
About 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes.
Absolutely.
And they're not expensive ingredients.
No, not at all.
Anybody, even I can afford this. Like anybody can, not anybody, you know. This is so good. So we're gonna make
We're gonna do the fried lobster next.
Okay. But I don't want to get this out yet. All right, here we go. Last forkful. Guys, this is actually really delicious. And at the end of the video, and even in the description box, I'm gonna show you how you can get Chef Jay to cater your next event. You do also do meal prep too, right?
Absolutely.
Does meal prep. What else?
Catering events.
Catering events.
Also bake as well.
Yeah. Wait, actually, I think when Gabby had an event, was it like a red velvet something or another?
Red velvet. I think we did red velvet cupcakes.
And you had the chicken and waffle. Oh my God.
Yeah, and the chicken and waffles. I also do cheesecakes as well.
Yeah. Guys. All right, let's make the fried lobster. Okay, so you mentioned egg wash. What's an egg wash?
Egg wash is basically eggs scrambled.
Okay.
So.
Anything special in it, or just basically?
No, just basically eggs. You just scramble them up. Well, you
whisk them.
Whisk them. I'm sorry. And that's an egg wash. So then we're gonna put it in the flour. Now you guys can season your flour. You know, it makes it a little bit more flavorful. Mm-hmm. If not, it's fine. So that's
Is yours seasoned?
Mine is seasoned.
Okay, let me guess. Got that special Chef Jay seasoning in there?
I'm all about the seasonings. Seasonings are great when they're married together.
Yes.
And if you don't have a deep fryer, is where I'm about to place these lobster tails in, you can also use a pan or a pot. It just makes it a little easier with a deep fryer. Okay. Okay, so you want to come this way?
Okay. Follow Chef Jay. That is a very quiet deep fryer.
Yeah, 2 down.
What brand is it?
This is actually a Warning Pro.
Okay.
But what you want to do is you want to keep the oil at one temperature. Okay. This way you know it doesn't over fry, it doesn't overcook it. Yeah. Keeps the oil and the heat consistent.
Okay. Looking good, looking good. So how do you know when it's ready? Is it going to be like golden brown or?
Well, it's going to be golden brown, and fried lobster tails usually take about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. Depending on the ounce of the lobster tail. These are actually 4 ounces. Okay. So anything more than 4 ounces, maybe 6 ounces, roughly 10 minutes. 8 ounces, maybe about 12 to 13 minutes.
Now, how do you, like, is there a certain kind of lobster tail that people should be looking for? What should they ask for when they go to the fish market?
I would go with Maine.
Okay.
Okay, if not, any wild caught lobster tail would be fine.
Okay.
Because you want quality.
Yes.
Okay. Farm raised stuff is farm raised.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely a wild caught kind of guy.
Okay.
So I just flip them over as you can see the seasonings.
Oh, that looks good. Look on my computer. So as Chef Jay is cooking the fried lobster tails, I'm going to be over here with my fake British accent eating the shrimp mac and cheese. So good. So that looks so good. This looks so good. So we're putting, what was this again? This was the
little garlic buttery
seasoning. And look how that just looks juicy. OMG. OMG. Okay guys, so we're almost at my favorite part, and that is to, you know, sample and dig in. Lobster tail is done, and I'm ready. Now, there's not really a dainty way to eat this, right?
No,
so maybe I can kind of just do like that. Because if y'all weren't here, I would have picked this up and been like,
tailing it.
Yep. Oh my God. That, what was it? It was like a garlic butter.
Garlic butter. That's it.
Guys, let me tell you something. Well, give me a second. Oh! See, this is why.
That's when you tail it. There you go. There you go.